Let me show you how to make a quick $300 just like my small business does. We're gonna go ahead and open up this computer and clean out the dust bunnies by using a can of compressed air and my vacuum. Right now, my main compressor has failed, so I'm using cans. We're gonna go ahead and remove the power Molex from the motherboard so that we don't accidentally blow up the motherboard, okay? We're also gonna remove the heatsink and main CPU fan so that we can clean all the dust bunnies off of it and replace the thermal paste. Now we're gonna use isopropyl 91% alcohol to remove the thermal paste off of the CPU and off of the heatsink.
Just like that.
If you fancy 87%, go ahead and use it. No issue there. We're gonna go ahead and put a little glob of thermal paste right on the CPU, and we're gonna go ahead and reseat the heatsink. And this is always the tricky part, making sure that you make those connectors on these AMD processors kind of grab on each side, and then you gotta put the lever down. It's always kind of tricky, but make sure you do it right. Now we're gonna go ahead and reconnect the CPU fan back to power off of the motherboard. Make sure you use the right header. It's labeled on your motherboard. We're gonna go ahead and reconnect the power and test this unit. And there you go. We'll also upgrade the hard drive to an SSD, not shown in this video. Quick $300, guys.